welcome! My name is Jocelyn and today we are going to be discussing the things that I bought during the most recent Sephora VIB sale. I am a Sephora VIB Rouge, so I was able to shop at the very beginning of this sale. I didn't get too many makeup related things, so I am going to include a couple things that I bought from Ulta using my 20% off, which there's not much. And then if it comes here in time, I've been waiting for the mail to arrive all day, but it's 5:30. I'm running out of daylight, so if these things come that I'm expecting, I'll include them too. But I am getting a couple things from Octoly that are makeup related, and I am extremely excited. It's from a brand that I have never tried before, so hopefully those will come at some point today and I can include those at the end of this video, but we shall see. Although I'm very excited about those couple of things from Octoly, I am extremely excited about the things that I bought from Sephora. And as I mentioned, I bought a lot of skincare, so we're gonna start with those and then move into the couple makeup things I got from Sephora, things I got from Ulta, and then hopefully those two Octoly items. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you caught my wish list and recommendation video for this sale, you may know that I was trying to decide which Drunk Elephant kit I was gonna buy. There's a total of like 4 kits. I was choosing between 3 and I bought all 3 of them. Let's go ahead and just start with this first one. This is, I think, the Inspector Drunk. Yes, this is the Inspector Drunk Night Kit, and it comes with a full size of the TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum and then 4 deluxe size products. So you get the Lala Retro Whipped Cream, which I'm using the same size of right now and I really like. You get the Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum, the Bestie number 9 Jelly Cleanser, which I'm extremely excited to try. I've never tried a cleanser by Drunk Elephant, so I'm really excited to try that. And then also the C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. I've heard really good things about that eye cream. Really excited about this. This right here, the night serum, is one of my favorite nighttime skincare things to use. I notice quite a difference when I'm not using it. Like, for example, right now I haven't been using it and I've been getting a lot of breakouts on my forehead, and I think it's because I've stopped using that. So I'm very excited to have that product again, and that's why I chose to get this one. And okay, so the reason I chose to get all 3 of these is because I don't want to sacrifice my skin, and if I was gonna buy these at some point anyways, actually almost all of these I'm completely out of, so I might as well buy them now and get the 4 extra products. I think you spend an extra $8 to get those 4 extra products. Well, actually not even, because that was before the 20% off. Like this kit right here, I'm pretty sure was $98 before the 20% off, and then this product right here, this is a full size of this product, is regularly $90. So before the sale you're spending an extra $8, but after the sale you're actually saving money anyways by buying it in a kit. So very excited to have this. Next, I also got the Agent Ellie kit, and this is the one that comes with a full size of the vitamin C serum, the C Firma Day Serum, and then you also get the Umbra Tint Physical Daily Defense Sunscreen, another Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum, the Proteiny Polypeptide Cream, which I've heard really good things about this, haven't tried it though, and then the Shava Complex Eye Serum, so another eye serum. Very excited about all of these, and this C Firma Day Serum is also something that I use daily and really enjoy and feel like it benefits my skin quite a bit, so that's why I picked this kit. Oh, and then this one is $88, I'm pretty sure, because this full-size product is $80. And again, that's before the 20% off or 15% off if you're just a VIB. And the last Drunk Elephant kit I got is this one right here. This is the, I don't know, the Big Reveal kit, as you can see on the top. And the Crème de la Crème in this product, the big full-size product, is the TLC Baby Facial. TLC is Sakari Baby Facial. And this is a full size of this product right here. It's so cute. I love this container, first of all, because you get this top portion, and then if you lift the lid off, you have the other 4 products in here, and you get a virgin marula oil, which I absolutely love this oil, and everybody always raves about that oil, so I'm excited to have another one of those. Another Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum, and then you also get another Bestie number 9 Jelly Cleanser, and then in this one you get the lip balm, and this is what I might be not most probably excited about, but I'm extremely excited about the Lippy Balm. I haven't heard like great things about it, but it's just something I've always wanted to try. So I think this is the cutest little container. I might hold on to this for a little while because it's just so cute. So those are the 3 Drunk Elephant kits that I got. I think this one was also $88 because I believe that the Sakari Baby Facial is $80. Which would make sense. The last skincare item that I got from Sephora is another kit. This is a pharmacy kit. It comes with the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, which I use every single day to take off my makeup. And then it also comes with the Lightweight Moisturizer, the Honey Drop Lightweight Moisturizer, and then the Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. I've used that mask before. I've gotten a sample from it and I absolutely love it. And so I'm really excited to have more of that. I haven't tried the hydration gel yet, but I'm again also very excited to try it. And then I'm not out of this product yet, but I eventually am going to run out of it and have to repurchase it. So I thought I would get the kit while I had the 20% off. Also, I just love, I don't know if you can see the gold on there. This packaging just looks very cute, very aesthetically pleasing. All right, and the last 2 products that I picked up during the Sephora VIB sale, I am extremely excited about. They are both makeup products. Now, while I was talking about my wish list and recommendations, I kept saying in that video that I was only gonna pick up 1 makeup product because I really don't need much more makeup, but kind of bought 2, and I don't regret it at all. I'm actually very excited about these 2 products, and they are both products by Jouer. And it's a brand that I haven't tried before, but I've always wanted to try, and then when they came into Sephora, I was so excited. So the first product that I picked up was one of their long wear lip creams, liquid lipsticks, and I picked the one up in the shade Noisette, I think is how you say it. It is a brown color. This is what it looks like. I love the packaging on these lipsticks. It's just very, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's because it's like a square. It's just cute. I like it. And this is really truly just a brown color, which I think is very appropriate for the fall time. And it's a really nice creamy opaque formula, and it feels very fall appropriate. I definitely thought these were, ooh, I really like the smell of these. They smell, I mean, this one smells like chocolate. It's probably just like a cream, but because of the color, it makes me think of chocolate. Anyways, I don't think that these dry down to a complete matte formula, which I'm okay with. I like things with a little more moisture to them because my lips tend to get really dry. So I'm very excited to try this and try out this formula. I think that these are $18 regularly, so not a bad price for a liquid lipstick. Definitely reasonable, definitely something that I think that if this works for me, I will have no problem picking up more colors of. And then the last product that I picked up from Jouer is a blush palette. So this is the Blush Bouquet in the shade Adore. Look at this packaging though. It's so pretty, and I love face palettes. I think oh, wrong way. So here is the actual compact itself. I'm a big fan of rose gold, and so this packaging just feels so luxe to me. It's so pretty. If I open it up, oh god, this is what the blushes look like right here. Definitely very natural, very light blushes. Probably not that great for medium or dark skin tones. They do have a lot of darker blushes though available. I really like that and appreciate that about these blush compacts, is that they have quite a few that have a much darker tone that are going to be a lot better for medium and dark skin tones. So that's really cool. Not probably great for me, which is why I picked up this one, but I think that they're so pretty. So you get the shade Adore Me, which is this one right here, which is a little darker, definitely a darker peach color than this one over here. This one is the shade Hold Me. Oh, so cute, which is much lighter, but I'm very excited to have this and play around with it. I am going to bring both of these into my monthly makeup basket to test out and use for the month of November, so I'm very excited about that. And that's everything that I picked up from Sephora during the VIB sale, but I do have a couple things that I'm going to share with you that I got at Ulta. I didn't really buy much at Ulta at all, but I hadn't gone to Ulta in so long, and so I went there the other day with my friend because I had 20% off, and it was completely rearranged. And in the more drugstore section of Ulta, we had a whole new display of MORPHE, which I thought was so cool, and then also an end cap of ColourPop, which my Ulta hasn't had ever. So I was really excited to see that. I didn't end up getting anything from ColourPop, but there were a lot of things that caught my eye. But I reined myself back and thought, I don't need any of this. And then when I was in the MORPHE section, there were definitely a few things that I had my eye on, but I ended up just picking up a couple of eye brushes. And the first I actually used today, it is the M421 brush. As you can see, it's just a really small flat shader brush. That's all it is, and it works really well. It's really stiff, especially, I like the brushes from Morphe, if you're looking at it, that have kind of that taper of color in there. I find that these bristles specifically work really, really well on the eye, and they just hold together a lot better longer. Brushes, oh, I cleaned all my brushes, so I don't have any next to me, but the ones that are like all blonde hair tend to wear down a lot faster, and you have to replace more often, but ones like this that have that coloring to them stay good longer. So there's that. But this one I used to apply my eyeshadow today, and I really, really loved, and I want to say it was super inexpensive. Like, this brush was like $3.20 or something, so definitely worth it. If you're planning on either placing a Morphe order or in your local Ulta store, I would recommend checking this out because I'm very excited to have this, and it works really well. The other one that I picked up is still in its packaging because I didn't use it. Let's go ahead and take care of that. This is the M506 brush. So this is what it looks like. It is just a little like detailer brush that I thought I would use to, I don't actually know. I don't remember what I want to do. This could work as an inner corner highlighting brush or a brow bone highlighting brush, or to really get color in a very specific place on your eyeball. But I'm excited to have this. I'm excited to try it. This one was a little more expensive. I think it was $60 or $60. Oh my God. No, I think it was $6. So I'm really excited to use this and try it out. And the last thing that I picked up from Ulta is a hair oil. This is the Super Skinny Serum by Paul Mitchell. Now, for a long time, I thought Paul Mitchell wasn't cruelty-free, and then someone so kindly informed me that Paul Mitchell is cruelty-free, and then I verified that online by doing just a couple of quick searches. Also, on the back of this container, it does say no animal testing, so that's really cool. But this is one of my favorite hair creams. I like the way it smells. Hair creams. It's like an oil. Serum, that's the word. So it works really well. I like this, the scent of it. It's really lightweight, so it doesn't weigh your hair down. I always apply it from like the mid shafts to the bottom to just kind of tame down any frizz or whatever my hair is deciding to do that day. God, my face is so itchy. So I picked this up. I think regularly this is $7. This size, it's a pretty small size. I mean, you don't need a lot when you use it, but I think regularly it's $7, but it was on sale, I believe, for like $4, and then I got 20% on top of that, so this was a lot cheaper than I thought it was gonna be when I picked it up, so that was really exciting. And that's everything that I got from Ulta. I'm hoping that the products from Octoly get here this evening so that I can add those in. They came! Yes! Oh, I'm so excited, and it's still the same day, so makeup and shirt are the same. Let me go ahead and open the first one. All right, so both products that I received / requested from Octoly are from the brand Kevyn Aucoin. Kevyn Aucoin is a brand that I've always wanted to try. I have heard great things about their powder products, but the first product that popped up on the Octoly website was a mascara, and it is the Kevyn Aucoin The Expert Mascara, and I'm so excited to use this. I really need a new mascara in my life, and whoa, can you hear that? What the heck? Why is it doing that? That has me nervous. But so this is the first product. Let me go ahead and open it. It is $29. There is the wand right there. A really neat shape. I'm actually really excited to try that out. The shaking is in the handle. How weird. It sounds like there's a ball in there. I'll have to do some research and figure out if that's normal, but it's definitely a very nice gold simple packaging. There's not too much information on here, just the brand name and the mascara name. So really excited to try this. I think this is like a $29 mascara. I'm no stranger to using high-end expensive mascaras, so I'm excited to try this. That is the first product. The second product is so heavy. Wow, I wasn't expecting it to be this big. Open her up. Ooh, this is the product that I'm very, very excited about. Oh, I'm so excited. So here we have the Kevyn Aucoin The Neo highlighter, and again, as I just mentioned, I've heard great things about the Kevyn Aucoin powder products, and I've always wanted to try the bronzer, or maybe it's the contour shade, but oh my gosh. Oh, what? So we have a velvet packaging. I was not expecting that, but how gosh darn luxurious. Ah, wow. Oh my gosh, look at that packaging. It's got like a beautiful like magenta to black ombre. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. So this is the Neo Highlighter, the Sahara Golden Rose Glow. All right, so here, let's not blind you with the mirror, but it does come with a very, very nice large mirror. And then here is the actual compact itself. Now it's supposed to be, and I guess it is, it's like an ombre. Oh gosh, here I go again. It's an ombre highlighter. As you can see, this side is lighter and then it shifts to a little bit darker of a highlight, but the idea is that there's supposed to be like 3 different highlighters mixed in here. So the lightest, more rose toned one in the middle, and then a little bit more bronzier of a highlight at the end. This looks gorgeous. It looks like a very, I mean, just based on initial viewing of it, it looks like a very natural, very pretty, sophisticated highlight. This is a gorgeous compact. I am so excited to try this. I do expect to film a get ready with me or something to that nature pretty soon, and I'm definitely going to be using that highlighter palette, that mascara, and probably the blush palette from Jouer and the lip product from Jouer in some kind of upcoming video, so look out for that. And that is all of the products that I have received lately. I am very excited to start trying some of these skincare items that I haven't tried before, also to have the skincare items that I know and love. I'm excited to try the few makeup products that I picked up because all of them, again, I am very excited about, obviously. And I think that's everything. Did you pick anything up from the recent sales, either at Sephora or Ulta, since they both got sales going on? I would love to know what you are excited to use and try. If you like haul videos, or you just like me, or you just like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe for more content from me, don't forget to do so before you go. All buttons are down below, and I think that's everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you, what was that? And I will see you in the next one.